Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, Kim Chu, Jai Shri Krishna. I hope you all are having a cracker of a Sunday, Monday, or whatever day you live in. This is Geet Chaudhary, and today on my channel, I am going to be reviewing the book, The Way of the Superior Man. Honestly speaking, this book, written by David Deida, has a life-changing impact on me. Had it not been for this book, I would have never been able to create this channel. So before we move further, here's a quick summation of this book. Stop waiting, live completely, feel everything, and enjoy sex as a cosmic portal into love's wonders and love achingly. Know your deepest purpose so you can give the gift you are born to give. Serve your friends so they may grow. And through the inevitable cycles of success and gut-wrenching despair, when you have outgrown the challenges of women, work, and life, be willing to forget that you ever born. This is the way of the superior man.
This kid's gonna be somebody better than anybody ever knew.
I'm gonna show you.
Welcome back. So this is going to be a 4-part series because हम इतनी amazing book को हम एक part में नहीं खत्म कर सकते. So I have compiled the lessons into 4 particular parts जिसमें आपकी help हो सकती है and I can share the learnings I have felt with this book. So this is going to be the part 1 of the series and this part's name is A Man's Way. Lesson 1. Stop waiting for completion of anything in your life. The author says this is a masculine error. हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमारी लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ कंप्लीट हो जाएगी देन वी विल स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग एल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, टेक मी फॉर एग्जांपल, हाफ ऑफ माई लाइफ आई हैव बीन थिंकिंग दैट मेरी एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब हो जाएगी देन आई विल डू वट एवर आई वुड वांट टू डू. इट नेवर स्टॉप्स. हम सिर्फ अपने आप को बेवकूफ़ बनाते रहते हैं ये सोचकर कि लाइफ में कोई चीज़ की कंप्लीशन हो जाएगी, मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे देन आई विल स्टार्ट एबल टू डू दैट बिकॉज में वो आगे बढ़ जाएंगे एंड आई वुड बी फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल और एबल टू परसू वट आई वुड वॉन्ट टू डू. बट इट नेवर स्टॉप्स. ऐसा कभी नहीं होने वाला है. So whatever you want to do, this is a practical advice from the book. Start dedicating at least 1 hour of your day daily to whatever you love to do. Whatever it is, whether it is dancing, painting or whatever the hell you would want to do it. Because there is never going to be completion of anything in your life. जो भी आपको करना है, do it and do it now. Lesson 2. Live with an open heart even if it hurts. Imagine being failing at a major project and lying to your woman about that. Imagine being failed at making love to your woman and hearing her telling her friends about your shortcomings in bed. How do you react? Are you closing up? Are you tightening your chest? Are you feeling embarrassed? Are you cursing her for your shortcomings in bed and life? The world and women are same. They don't expect anything from you any less than a superior man. A superior man, whatever the situation comes, makes love from there to the world and to his woman. Lesson 3. Live as if your father is dead. Imagine your father is dead and there is a certain feeling of relief associated with his death. Why is that? Half of our lives we are doing things just to get approval and appreciation from our fathers, whether it is in our career choices or our relationships. We are always trying to impress our fathers. At least I do. Practical advice. For the next 3 days, do something that you are always wanting to do, irrespective of your father's judgment. Don't think that what he will say or what he will do. For the next 3 days, do an activity that you are always wanting to do. Your life will change as if mine is changing right now. Lesson 3. Know your real edge and don't fake it. Every man is afraid. If you think that you are more enlightened and not afraid of anything, then you are just lying to yourself, your friends, your world, and your woman. You don't have to push yourself too hard. As we do in the gym, we are ego lifting just to prove to others. You don't have to prove yourself to anyone. Just know your actual edge, that this is my real edge, and just lean beyond that. Thoda sa. That's when the most growth happens. Lesson 5. Lean just beyond your edge. Now that you know your real edge, just push a little farther than that. ज़्यादा भी हमें आगे नहीं जाना, ना ही हमें पीछे रहना है. Ask yourself, are you just being lazy so that you can earn more money? Are you just being too afraid to push and break a muscle or two? Or are you just having too much ego in your relationship? Ask yourself that. Push a little harder than that. थोड़ा सा, just a little. Lesson 6. Always hold on to your deepest realization. Yeah. Take a deep breath right now. Take a deep breath. And remember who the fuck you are. Yeah. Talk to yourself. Who are you? Half of our life we are acting and trying to be person who we are not. If you are introverted, we are always told कि आपको बाहर जाना चाहिए, आपको लोगों से interact करना चाहिए. If you are extroverted, हमें कई बार ये भी बोला जाता है कि you talk too much, don't do that. Just be who you are. Don't try to be the alpha male you are not. You will just put on layers and layers throughout years, and one day you will burn out. Lesson 7. Never change your mind just to please a woman. If a woman says or does something that changes a man's perspective, then he should make a new decision based on that new perspective. In spite of just going along with his woman to just please her, you are in effect saying that you don't trust your innermost wisdom. This is wrong at so many levels. Your woman will lose trust in you. Next time you are in a situation like that, if you are at strife with your woman, then do what your heart says, in spite of just trying to go along and pleasing her. Do what your heart says, and then see what happens. If you are wrong, you will learn from it. And if you are not wrong, your woman will love you for your decisiveness. Lesson 8. If you do not know your purpose, discover it now. This is by far the most important lesson this book teaches us. What do you mean by purpose? सबकी अपनी अपनी definitions है. So, for me, this is my definition of purpose is that where you are right now and where you want to be. The bridge between where you are and where you want to be is purpose. Now keep it in mind that your purpose should drive you. Everything and anything in your life should always be aligned with your purpose. Whether it is your career goals, whether it is your relationship, whether it is your diet, whether it is your sexual life, whether it is your gym life, everything should always be aligned with your purpose. This is by far the most important thing. Some of you might ask, what is my purpose? I don't know what my purpose is. Honestly saying, I also didn't know just before starting this channel or something like that. I somewhat knew what I want to do in life, but I was hesitating just to follow my core instincts. So a practical advice from me is that follow your core instincts, do what you like, see what you like. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको वो नहीं अच्छा लगे, you are trying to do something, but at least try. Maybe you would love starting. I, after reading this book, started learning about graphic designing. I really love that shit. I started recording video and I'm feeling very much pumped up every day to do this. This is very important. Feel what your core instincts tell you and follow it. Maybe you will find purpose. I don't know that I am at my purpose, but right now I am very happy, living my life to the coolest. I wake up every day fully pumped up just to do something. Think about the things that you love. Write it down. I'll show you, yeah? Write it down. I did this. Entire things I would love to do, I can do, and just I started doing. And you will love that, how your life would change. You will thank me for that. Okay. So if you don't know your purpose, just like clueless, I was clueless a few days and months ago. So drop down in the comment section. Let's discuss. Maybe we can help each other out. Lesson 9. Your purpose must come before your relationship. This is my wallpaper, the current wallpaper I am having on my phone. So you can tell by that for me, I have realized this very much later in my life. Okay, I'm giving you a true story. Okay, the relationship I had before I started this channel, the woman I was with, yeah, she said the same thing that जितना तुम इस रिलेशनशिप के लिए इतने आतुर हो या फिर जितना तुम इस रिलेशनशिप में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, लाइक जितना तुम रोमांटिसाइज करते हो चीज़ें, इतना ज़्यादा अगर तुम अपनी पढ़ाई पे या खुद पे ध्यान दो तुम यूपीए से निकाल सकते हो. Yes, he said this thing. It feels awkward to say this on camera, but you should know it, that I myself has gone through it and I am working on myself. नाउ यू माइट थिंक कि आपके पास पैसा नहीं है, या फिर आपका बहुत अच्छा फिजिक नहीं है, या फिर आप गुड लुकिंग नहीं हो. लुक एट मी. पीपल से दैट आई एम क्वाइट गुड लुकिंग, आई हैव गुड फिजिक, या स्टिल वुमेन लेफ्ट मी. ऐसा क्यों होता है? That is because of the same reason that you have invested too much into the relationship than on yourself. Your women will feel it. हमेशा होगा. It will keep continue to happen until you start focusing on yourself. आज भी रिलेशनशिप एंड पोलैरिटी, द अट्रैक्शन, द सेक्सुअल अट्रैक्शन के रूल सेम है जो मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स अगो थे. women would not want you to do their job. They would not want you to be the emotional person in the relationship. They will always and always want you to be erected like your penis. Always erected, always firm on your decision, and always have a direction. You don't have to earn $1 million a year. You don't have to be the most good looking guy. You don't have to have six-pack abs. I'm saying this right now on the camera. These things may sure help, but the most important thing is that if she can see you that you are a dependable guy who can save her when shit hits the fan, are you able to do that? She will be attracted to you. She will be there for you. But if she sees you that you are more interested in her and in the relationship than in focusing on the building assets, then she would not want to be reproducing the babies with you. Harsh reality. Lesson 10. Do it for love. The way a man penetrates the world should be the same way he penetrates his woman. Not just for the personal pleasure and comfort, but for the sake of openness, love, and consciousness. Neither the world nor the woman can be second guessed. They can feel everything. Even try bhi mat karna kabhi bhi. If you feel that you can try and you can lie to a woman, they can feel everything. They know that you are just dicking around and you are not doing the work that you should do. Ask yourself, what was the last time you did something that was going out of your comfort zone and live your life to the fullest? So basically there are two ways to deal with women and the world. Either be a renunciate, सब कुछ छोड़ दो, हिमालय पे चले आओ, सब कुछ छोड़ दो, because you can't handle the woman and the world in this way जो आप कर रहे हो, right? And the second one is you fuck both to smithereens. Yes. Do it with love, do it with consciousness, do it with the utmost alignedness with your purpose. Chapter 11. Enjoy a friend's criticism. The capacity of a man to receive another man's criticism is directly proportional to his capacity to receive the masculine energy. Practical advice from the book. Once a week, you should sit around with your male friends. Only male, I'm saying specifically only male friends. Discuss what is happening with your life. It should be a short and brief conversation, but you should discuss about what you are going to do with your life, what are your actual goals in life. Your male friend should be able to challenge your mediocrity. For example, you have not been happy in your relationship, ठीक है? Again and again आप अपने दोस्तों को ये सब बता रहे हैं कि I'm not happy, I'm not happy, I'm not happy, she just don't put in that much effort and that and that and that. You have been constantly nagging around for the past 6 months. Your male friend should be able to challenge that mediocrity. They should say probably, ऐसा कर, पिछले 6 महीने से तू रो रहा है. So either break up with her till tomorrow or don't talk about it ever again. You think about that for a moment. You maybe even try for that, and then you may say, "You're right, man. I just love that woman so much." ठीक है, थोड़े से सब जगह प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, बट मेरा रिलेशनशिप और मेरा प्यार उसके लिए ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो योर मेल फ्रेंड शुड बी एबल टू चैलेंज योर मीडियोक्रिटी. दे शुड ऑल्सो लिव एंड दे शुड ऑल्सो appreciate that you are living on your edge. They should not let you off the hook. They should be there to love you, to respect your edge, and be willing to catch you if you go too far. Chapter 12. Don't use your family as an excuse. If a man who has truly discovered his purpose, there's nothing that can stop him. But if you are a man who has not discovered his purpose, and maybe if you have discovered your purpose, but you are still not living true to it, you are just using your family as an excuse कि you are afraid to pursue in that direction. Eventually doing things like this will make your core weakened. Your woman, your children, your family, and also the world will lose trust in you. So if you are a man who wants to live his life to the fullest, be aligned with your purpose. Do what you want to do. Do what you need to do. and find a way to love your family and your woman from there. Chapter 13. Don't get lost in tasks and duties. Most of the time हमने ये चीज़ देखी है for us men specifically, that we are most of the time in this do mode or is in this do zone, जिसमें हम we don't want to be distracted with anyone or anybody. किसी भी चीज़ से हमें distraction नहीं चाहिए. We are so much focused on our work, and for us men, we seek our birthright doing the completion of tasks, and we get lost in those tasks. This is what you have to do. You have to keep reminding yourself that are you aligned with your purpose. Give yourself daily reminders, daily refreshment of doses, that are you doing the things that are needed for you to be aligned with your purpose, or are you just getting lost in your duties. Last but not least, be willing to change everything in your life. You may have find yourself, जब आप अपनी लाइफ अपनी ट्रू एज पे जीते हो, then you may find yourself कि आपका डीपेस्ट पर्पस आपको नज़र आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे ही बट आ रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है that what you want to do with your life. Each purpose and each mission should be lived fully until it becomes and it starts to feel silly, uninteresting and boring. Then it should be discarded completely. This is natural and this is a sign of growth, but many people mistake is a sign of a failure. For example, imagine for the past 3 years आप एक government service exam के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं. Now you just got graduated and you just don't feel कि आपको जाके exam देनी चाहिए. आप just connected महसूस ही नहीं करते उस चीज़ के लिए, but आप ये भी सोचते हो कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ के 3 साल इस चीज़ में दिए हैं तो मैं क्यों नहीं दूँ. हो सकता है कि आप bail out करें, but ask your close men friends about them, what they feel about you. They may think, are you just bailing out too soon? Are you just too afraid to preserve and see if you are getting success in that or not? If they think that you are bailing out too soon, stick to it. But there is another reason for that too. The other reason could be that you may have fulfilled your karma in that region. आपने उस area का अपना purpose complete कर चुके हो. Now there could be 5 signs you can use to determine if you have completed the karma in that specific region. The first one is that you don't feel interested in that job. The second one is that आपको बिल्कुल कोई regret महसूस नहीं हो रहा है उस काम को नहीं करने में. The third one is आपको बिल्कुल भी unburden हो, आप बिल्कुल आपको unburden महसूस हो रहा है उस चीज़ को छोड़ते वक्त. Fourth one is you feel increase in energy in yourself उस जॉब को छोड़ते वक्त कि हाँ अब ये छोड़ रहा हूँ, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, राइट. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज दैट यू फाइंड इट वेरी सिली एंड फ्यूटाइल कि आप इसमें अब टाइम दे रहे हो. These are the 5 signs you can use to determine that you have fulfilled your karma in that specific region. If you find that, then it is time that you should completely discard what you are doing now. Completely उसके साथ ties cut off कर दो. But beware that इसके कारण आपके कोई भी जो आप पे आश्रित है उससे कोई भी परेशानी नहीं. Now you may think that कि चलो हमने डिस्कार्ड कर दिया, अब हम क्या करें. Another purpose may come. अब most often than not ये ऐसा immediate process नहीं है कि आपने ये छोड़ा एंड आपको बिल्कुल तभी के तभी कुछ नई चीज़ मिल जाए करने के लिए that you love doing. But आएगी वो. It would soon re-emerge. You just have to be open to that. At least dedicate 1 hour a day thinking about that. What you can do now. Now you have shed your past karma. What you can do now. Don't go out with your friends time pass करने के लिए. Don't watch too many series जिससे आपका दिमाग भटक जाए. Or don't start dating women. When you will do that, you are just distracting yourself and that vision may not come. But just be open. A vision would come. When it would come, वो डिटेल नहीं रहेगा, इतना ज़्यादा डिटेल नहीं. यू हैव टू डू दिस एंड डू दैट एंड डू दैट. एक छोटी सी स्पार्क, एक छोटा सा क्लिंक आएगा एंड देन जस्ट फॉलो दैट. एज अ समेशन टू दिस चैप्टर, एक आदमी को अपना 100% अपने पर्पस को देना चाहिए until उसका कर्मा उस रीजन में कंप्लीट हो जाए. देन he should discard that specific form of living and be comfortable in being in that zone of not knowing what the hell he has to do with his life. This is okay, this is natural. Until उसकी life में एक नया purpose emerge हो जाए and he starts following that and he starts following purpose like that which keeps coming into his life until he sheds all layers of his purpose and karma and ultimately he dissolves too. This is the way of the superior man. The first part is over. I hope you all really loved this. I really loved making it myself. I want you guys to comment down. मुझे बताइए comments में कि किन areas पे मैं और improve कर सकता हूँ किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर. I love improving my craft. Adding to that, इसका second part super soon आने वाला है, which is about dealing with women. Yes, it has been a life's mystery for a long time, but I assure you, after that video, you will be really cool and easygoing with women. Adding to that, आपको अगर ये बुक इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी है तो मैं इसकी लिंक नीचे दे रहा हूँ. यू कैन परचेज इट फ्रॉम अमेजोन बिकॉज ये यूजुअली ऐसे नहीं मिलती है. आई पर्सनली ट्राइड फाइंडिंग इट बट मुझे नहीं मिली. एंड उसके साथ साथ इफ़ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट द इक्विपमेंट आई यूज्ड, आई ऑल्सो लिंकिंग दैम डाउन बिलो. सो या, इफ़ यू वांट टू परचेज दैम, डू इट. It would give me a good commission too. At last, I just want to say that if you like the video and if you really like the video, then press that like button and say that Geet, we really loved your video, and also comment down below that yes Geet, we really loved your video, as well as subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be bringing you the best learnings from the best books in the best way possible. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.